Hey guys, day before 4th of July, July 3rd here, so I thought it'd be a good time just to do a little quick legislative update. Four things going on at the federal level that could affect you as a real estate agent. Two good, two not so good. One is the VA has eliminated the cap for loan amounts, which was 484,350 was the cap for VA loans. In most counties, they've now eliminated that cap with no down payment. So it appears that in most counties, it's unlimited amount now for the VA. So that doesn't really help us a ton here in Columbia. I don't know that we do a lot of VA closings over that 484 range, but maybe it might help open up a few for us, a few more closings that way. Second of all, executive order came from the White House last month, set up the White House Council on eliminating barriers to affordable housing. And so apparently Ben Carson and 8 other members of, I think it's the Department of HUD, are forming this council. They're going to look in each state what barriers are eliminating the construction and sale of affordable housing. And I think that is definitely going to help us here in Columbia, as that is definitely in the sweet spot of our market. So those are two good bills. Two things that also came out legislatively was the FDIC gave their report to Congress last week on RESPA violations. And the big thing it appears that the CFPB may start going after are these desk rentals. And what that is where a lawyer or a lender and maybe some builders rent a desk space from the real estate agency and pay fees to be there. The FDIC said, while they may not be legal, it appears that a lot of people are paying more than fair market value, meaning that if the real estate agent is being charged $500 a month for that desk rental and the lender or the title company is being charged $2,000 a month, then they say it's basically nothing more than a sham way of doing a kickback of fees. So if you're doing desk rentals with lenders, attorneys, title companies, builders, whoever, home warranty companies, doesn't matter, those rental fees must be reasonable market. And if your agents are paying a lot less rather than those people are, then that's a pretty good indication that those fees are inflated and illegal. The last one's the worst one. New York State has determined that the reason that their housing is so expensive there is because the real estate agents get paid too much money. Never mind the outrageous amount of taxes they have up there, which is when we do closings, people move to New York. From New York here, they tell us two reasons. One is outrageous taxes, one is snow, crappy weather. But according to New York, they believe the whole problem of housing is real estate agents. And so particularly in the rental market, they've just tried to pass a bill that would limit the compensation to the real estate agents. So basically going to try to cap the commissions. Real estate agents up there are going berserk over it, saying that if you're going to start capping on the leasing of property, it's just a matter of days before a year or so before they decide to start capping real estate agents' commissions on the sales of property. Again, let's don't really attack the problem that's at hand here, taxes and, lack of inventory in New York. They want to try to blame it on you real estate agents, which is, of course, outlandish. Anyway, 4 things going on federally I thought you needed to know about. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you after the 4th. Have a happy 4th.